Have you ever wondered how to dress appropriately for different weather conditions? As men, we often overlook the importance of dressing according to the weather. But did you know that weather-appropriate clothing not only ensures comfort but also reflects a sense of practicality and style? Let's delve into the seasons. The 4 seasons, each with its distinctive climate, demand different types of clothing. For hot summers, think lightweight materials and breathable cuts. Cool autumns call for warm colors and layering pieces. For those cold winters, invest in heavy coats and warm knitwear. And for mild springs, opt for light jackets and transitional items. Layering is an essential technique to master. It allows you to adapt to changing temperatures throughout the day. In the winter, for example, wear a thermal underlayer, followed by a shirt, a sweater, and then a coat. In the spring or autumn, a tee, a shirt, and a light jacket might be all you need. Accessories are not just add-ons, they're essentials for different weather conditions. Sunglasses and hats protect you from the sun. Scarves, gloves, and hats keep you warm in the cold. Footwear is another crucial element. Rain calls for waterproof boots, while snow demands insulated and traction-rich boots. In the heat, go for breathable shoes or sandals, and in mild weather, a pair of sturdy sneakers or comfortable loafers would do. Remember, you don't have to compromise your personal style while adjusting your outfits for the weather. Be creative within the constraints of the weather. Extreme weather conditions, no problem. For heat waves, opt for loose, light-colored clothing. During cold snaps, layer up and cover extremities. And for rainy seasons, waterproof outerwear is your best friend. Having a versatile wardrobe is key. Invest in essential items that can be mixed and matched in various weather conditions. Stay informed. Use weather forecast apps or websites to plan your outfits in advance. Traveling to regions with diverse climates. Pack multi-purpose items and layers. This way you can adjust your outfit according to the weather. Share your weather-appropriate outfit ideas, or drop any questions you might have about dressing for specific weather conditions. In conclusion, adapting your style to the weather is not only practical, but also a chance to showcase your creativity in fashion. So gentlemen, embrace the weather and let it uplift your style game.